डेस्टिनेशन का हमें बहुत ज़्यादा वेट था. This car will go inside the ferry. It's so good.
So they have a assigned area for pets.
So it's day 3 और हम लोग जा रहे हैं. I think 2 hour. I think ये डेस्टिनेशन का हमें बहुत ज़्यादा वेट था. And we all are excited to go there. And that place is Victoria Ferry Terminal. Yes. So we are going to the capital of British Columbia, and that's Victoria. I have my friends or auntie. We are enjoying the trip with you. She's so amazing. Or he's our driver, a true driver friend. I mean, he's like he drive. इसने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ड्राइव किया है and we are so thankful of him. I mean, yes. Right now, हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं because we will be going in the ferry, and for that you can see this the queue. It's so huge. Or this car will go inside the ferry, and then afterwards it's a hour and half drive, like 90 minutes. Or we will be enjoying our moments in the cruise, and from there we'll get our car. So but before going to make that, हम लोगों को ये जो लाइन है ये पूरी क्रॉस करके जाना है. So we are just waiting, and in the meantime we are also clicking the pictures.
So the wait is over, and here you can see that the vehicles are divided and separated using the berths. So we are on fourth berth, and here we are entering inside the ferry, which you can see. So we will be parking our cars here, and from there we will be going upstairs where we can enjoy the 90-minute of view and the entire drive. So that's how it looks like. It has a capacity, like it has a great capacity of accommodating so many cars, people, and it's so amazing to witness all of this.
So it's very narrow. Passenger decks is upstairs. यहाँ पे सारी कार पार्क हुई जो आप देख सकते हैं. अब that's the Queen of New Westminster. The welcome aboard. सो फाइनली हम लोग आ गए हैं फेरी के अंदर, और वी आर जस्ट ग्रैबिंग आवर कॉफ़ी. और so just like once we place the order, I mean before that we just select our cups, and then afterwards हम लोग हमारी कॉफ़ी बना के we can enjoy. So हमारी फेरी चल पड़ी है, और हम सब यहाँ पे कॉफ़ी एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. So I'll also have my coffee. Wow, the weather is so good. Plus, wow.
So it's a morning time, and it's amazing to see the sunrise. Plus, also on the other side, it's a great weather in summer. I just love it.
So ये inside view है. Like this ship has like 4 deck, और 4 deck में इतनी ज़्यादा seating capacity है, which you can see in my background. I mean बहुत ज़्यादा है. And I mean you can sit inside,
और बाहर एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. You can explore inside, so there is a lot of things to do. और हम लोगों ने हमारी बाहर फ़ोटोग्राफी की. अभी हम सोच रहे हैं कि थोड़ी देर अंदर बैठे और एंजॉय करें अंदर का भी व्यू. हमने ऑलरेडी कैफ़े एक्सप्लोर कर लिया, वी हैड अवर कॉफ़ी, और उसके बाद हमने बाहर का भी देखा, राइट. और बस अभी हम लोग अंदर का एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. So we are about to reach, और I just want to give you a look like इस टाइप की फेरी है हमारी भी. और I mean it was a great journey. Plus there are so many things we will still explore once we come back. It's a 90 minutes of drive, और इस टाइप की BC ferry है. So when you are here in Victoria for 90 minutes drive in ferry, obviously it's a time to explore, and that's what we are doing. So we are exploring the entire ship. Here we can see the kid zone, and we have some great lounges where you have to pay specific ticket price from $15 to $20. And we just thought to get outside and explore the entire cruise, like what's at the front and what's at the back. So we are heading at the really back. So that's the view from the top. They do have some all the equipments ready, the life boats, and we are going at the really back and see what are the other areas. And here comes the pet area, so they have a specific assigned area for the pets as well. So if you come with a pet, you can always stay in this area. And those are the little ones and cute. They have a great capacity, and at the really end you can see the entire view. It's so huge, and here we reach at the really back. That's look amazing. So it's a must visit place. Do come to Victoria and use the ferry. And thank you so much guys for watching my video.